How's it going, guys? Just got an unboxing here of God of War, and I've also got the PlayStation 4 Pro today, but I don't know if I'll be doing an unboxing of that on the channel or not, because I just really want to sell it up later on and just get it over with. But I might do a unboxing of that. But anyway, let's get on to the actual unboxing of God of War. Just had to pause video there. Yeah, so I got this from Amazon. I've seen game clips of God of War and it looks amazing. I can't wait to play it on the PlayStation 4 Pro and get the best out of it. So let's get inside the actual packaging now. So here we are. Looks amazing, that cover. I think great attention to detail. Living as a man outside the shadow of the gods, Kratos, together with his son Atreus, must venture into the brutal Norse wilds and fight to fulfill a deeply personal quest. PS4 Pro Enhanced, 50GB minimum, one player, so no online. But let's get inside the case. And this is from Santa Monica Studio. Nice disc there. No background image, which I actually expected. But you've actually got the default controls there, which comes in handy. So thanks for watching this little unboxing. If anyone's played it, I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments. And hopefully I will do a PS4 Pro unboxing. So I'll catch you later, and take care.